Okay, so now is when we have to decide how to format our HTML element that we want to append to our DOM. So this is a great point to return back to the Bootstrap documentation and see what it can do to provide us with some ways to display this kind of information. So if we go back to the Bootstrap page, we can actually use what are called components. So these are just flexible and reusable pre-built components that are fairly standard on the web. So we have a list of information that we want to display in a way that's going to be interesting and useful to our users. So going down on the right-hand menu here, there's something called a list group. So probably a good place to get started. And our list group options are listed below. We have several examples. So very basic, just list items here, nothing too interesting. And if we scroll down, we can see other options that are available. So a couple things we know about our apartment listings. We know that each one of them is going to be a link, that when you click on it, it's going to open the address in Google Maps. And we have a fair amount of information we want to display. We probably want to display the description, the neighborhood, the city, as well as maybe the amount of bedrooms and price. So we want to find something that can hold more information. So this looks like a good place to get started. It's going to give us some kind of bare bones of being able to display more than just one line of information. And it's also a link. So we can go ahead and copy and paste this code over. This is going to be the basis for our HTML.